Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a Swedish lesson video. I've been getting a lot of requests and I've been thinking what I should teach you, and it's taking a little time to figure out what else I can say and how to build it up and everything, but I figured it out. Today I'm going to teach you like directions. If you come here to Sweden and you want to ask where to go or where this is and stuff, of course you can speak English. I think most people here would understand, but it can be fun to learn it in Swedish as well, so here goes. The first thing I want to teach you is when you approach someone and you want to ask them something, usually you say excuse me, right? Like excuse me, what's the time, whatever. And excuse me in Swedish is ursäkta mig. Ursäkta mig. So you approach someone and you just say ursäkta mig or just ursäkta. It doesn't really matter. Like you could just say ursäkta or ursäkta mig. And after that, I guess you can say can I just bother you a moment, or can I ask you something? So if you want to say can I just ask you something, like excuse me, can I ask you something, it is ursäkta mig, får jag bara fråga dig någonting? Får jag fråga dig någonting? It doesn't really matter how many words you put in there. I would probably just say ursäkta mig, kan jag fråga dig något? Kan jag bara fråga dig någonting? Kan jag bara fråga dig någonting? Because we have this, we shorten the words a little bit, so bara is ba, because we're lazy, I suppose. So okay, ursäkta mig, kan jag bara fråga dig någonting? I hope that was understandable. Okay, so the next thing, if you want to ask what time it is, because I think that can come in handy. So, what time is it? Or what is the time, whatever, is vad är klockan? Vad är klockan? And that could look a little something like this. Ursäkta mig, får jag bara fråga dig någonting? Vad är klockan? So yes, vad är klockan? So let's say you ask someone in Swedish what time it is. Most likely they will answer you in Swedish as well. So then it would be a good idea to know, you know, the clock, how we say that in Swedish, but I don't think I can put it in this video because it will get too long, so maybe I will make another Swedish lesson video soon with just the clock and, you know, how we say different times, like what 15 minutes over is called and everything, but not in this video, unfortunately. Moving on! So if you want to ask someone where something is, you can use is there or where is the blah blah, whatever you want to ask for. And there are also two translations to those, so we're just gonna take them. The translation for is there is finns det, blah blah. Finns det, for example, is there a bathroom nearby or something? You say finns det en toalett i närheten? Finns det en toalett i närheten? So if you want to ask someone, it can look like this. Ursäkta, får jag bara fråga dig någonting? Finns en toalett i närheten? And then the answer will be yes or no, and then they will probably point you in the direction you're supposed to go. So you can just follow the hand, or I'm just gonna teach you what they probably will say. First of all, straight ahead in Swedish is rakt fram. Rakt fram, and then they're probably gonna add something. Or just rakt fram, right there, den är där. But they can also tell you to turn left or right, or in your case watching the video, this is left I guess, and this is right. But anyways, so if they want to tell you to turn left, I'm telling you this so you will see from the video that this is my right, but this is your left, whatever. If they want to tell you to turn to your left, they will say till vänster. Till vänster. And to your right is till höger. Till höger. So if the direction for the bathroom is straight ahead to the left, it can look like this. Ursäkta, får jag bara fråga dig någonting? Finns det en toalett i närheten? Ja, rakt fram till vänster. That's basically it. And you walk there, to the toilet, if you need to go there. And when someone obviously is nice to you and gives you the direction, you probably want to say thank you. And thank you, I think I have it in another video, but anyways, thank you is tack. Tack. kind of exhausting to talk all the time. The next thing is, where is the blah blah? And the translation is var ligger, I would say, if you ask for the direction. So where is var ligger whatever it is. So for example, where is the library? The translation is var ligger biblioteket? Var ligger biblioteket? And again, they would probably just show you with hands and say left, right, straight ahead. And yeah, if you have problems, you can just ask them in English and they will tell you in English where to go. And now I thought I would teach you some words for places you might want to go. So here that goes. Okay, the library, biblioteket, the toilet, toaletten, the food store, matbutiken, the cinema, bion, the hotel, hotellet, the restaurant. But this is the thing, you cannot say where is the restaurant, because then they have to know which one you mean. So you would ask, is there a restaurant nearby? So restaurant is restaurang. It's not restaurangen like you would say if you knew which one you were going to, but yeah. Restaurant, restaurang, museum, museum, train, tåget, or the train, tåget, the bus, bussen, the elevator, hissen, the cash dispenser. I have never heard that word before, I had to look it up. Cash dispenser, bankomaten. And those are the ones that I came up with myself. If you want to know something else, you're just gonna have to ask me in the bar below, and I will maybe answer your questions for my next video if there was something else you wanted to know. So the thing is with, you know, restaurang or matbutiken or bion, I guess, too, you can't really ask someone where is the restaurant, because they will not understand which one you mean, and it's kind of hard to give direction unless you know the name for it. Then you can ask where is the restaurant and then the name of it, and they will show you if they know the way. But I would recommend you to ask var finns det en restaurang i närheten, or something like that, like where is there a restaurant anywhere close by or nearby? Is there a restaurant nearby? And then it can look like this. Ursäkta, får jag bara fråga dig någonting? Finns det någon restaurang i närheten? Ja, rakt fram till vänster. Oh, tack. I hope that makes sense. You can also add a lot of words when you ask for something, but I don't think that's necessary. You can just use the basic stuff. I think that's easier. Anyways, I think this is it. I'm kind of out of ideas, and I think this video is already getting a bit too long. So if there's something else you want to know, you can ask me, send a comment below, and I will probably make another Swedish lesson video sometime. I don't really know when, but when I feel like I have enough material to work with, and time, and you know, energy, and everything that matters when you want to make a video. Tack till alla som har kollat på den här videon. Jag hoppas att